Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. So for this week, we're going to do cell phone tech tips. First thing is, you need to put a passcode on your phone. Very, very important. If you should lose it, you don't want anybody accessing your data, your pictures, and all your contact information. The next thing you need to do is turn off location sharing because a lot of apps will track you in the background. The next thing, turn off Bluetooth when not using it. Apps can use Bluetooth to transfer files. What online accounts are you logged into automatically on your cell phone? Check this out and make sure nothing logs you in automatically. You also don't want to store sensitive information on your phone. And if you must store sensitive information, use encryption technology. Thank you for watching and stay safe.